పెట్టండి. See, మనం ఇది ఐఫోన్ గురించి ఆడుతున్నాం గేమ్. నిజంగా వెరీ నైస్. ఎవ్రీవన్ బ్రో చాలా రిచ్, నీకు అవసరం లేదు ఐఫోన్. వెరీ గుడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఓకే, చేతులు పైకి. ఓకే కమ్ ఆన్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకేసారి ట్రయాంగిల్ అండ్ స్క్వేర్ గేమ్. ట్రయాంగిల్ అండ్ స్క్వేర్. స్క్వేర్ ఎట్ ఎ టైం. ట్రయాంగిల్ అండ్ స్క్వేర్. ఏదైతే విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ అలాగైతే మీరు 3D లో వైరస్ అవ్వాలి, అప్పుడే ఇది పాసిబుల్ అనమాట. సో ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ అన్ ఐస్ బ్రేకింగ్ సెషన్. అంటే నేను లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. మనం ఇప్పుడు నేను మాకు సీరియస్ గిఫ్ట్ హ్యాంపర్ ఇస్తాను. నేను అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ కి మీరు ప్రాపర్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే అచ్చా మేడం. Congrats. अच्छा, my first question, खाते नहीं है उसे. Plate. Who said plate first? You. अच्छा, madam हाँ. अच्छा, plate is the right answer actually. को बनाते हैं लेकिन लड़के कभी उस जगह जाते नहीं है. Ladies toilet. मैडम, what a experience you have, मैडम. Seriously. Great round of applause for her, please. Please. Come on. Hi, your good name? Hariyahi. నిజంగా నత్తున్నోడి పేరు పలకడం అంటే చాలా కష్టపడతాడు.
We give a prize. Ladies and gentlemen, life is all about winning. Life is all about taking that extra step and chance. Life is all about the risks we take. About 2 years ago, if all the heroes can sit down, I have a superhero to introduce to you. About 2 years ago, Mana Vizaglo, with 7 people, we opened doors on Evolutus. At that time, the world was looking at you, wondering whether this was another door that was going to close. But every mother's heart in this room, in this venue like mine, was sure that here was a winning team. Here was a leader who was going to take the history of fintech, the history of his city, Visakhapatnam, to another level globally. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as I introduce to you the man of the moment, a boy who I've seen from this time when he was in college, the horse that I betted on right for the last 20 years. It's my pride today to read out the profile of a boy, of a man whom I'm really very, very proud to read out for. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Srinivasa Arasada. He is an award-winning technology thought leader, a serial entrepreneur, a global influencer, a startup advisor, technology executive with 15 years of marketing experience, bringing high-growth global businesses in roles that span sales, marketing, operations, product management, and engineering. He has a track record of building and investing in a culture that fosters high performance and high growth teams. He's skilled in customer new age and deep tech, go-to-the-market strategy, IT strategy, professional services and management. He builds strong business development professional with an executive education focused in leadership from MIT. Our Srinivas is no ordinary Indian. He's a young Indian who is today better known to all of us as the Chief Technology Advisor for a leading IT producer, platform and service company, and that is yours, Evolutus. He's investor and mentor at multiple brands on startup. He's a board member of SR Foundation India and Singapore. He's a global shaper in the World Economic Forum for India. He's an executive council member and head of innovations at the American Association of Digital Transformation. He's a distinguished technology leader at the Forbes Technology Council. He's an advisor to the Commonwealth Young City. He's the managing partner at Asia Incorporated 500 Capital. And above all, he is the chair and head of the governing council, Indo-Korea Business Council. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for your own Arasada Srinivas. Come on, guys, give it up. Come on, guys, give it up.
Ma'am, thank you for the wonderful introduction. How are you guys doing?
Wonderful!
Evaluators, how are you doing?
Good! Awesome!
Are you guys having a good time?
Yes!
So good to see you all together here. Thanks for being here this evening. Thanks to you and special thanks to your family members for being here. And also special thanks to your family members for their such a great support so that you guys are always doing good for us. It is so nice to see you all here. So there is a reason why we wanted to do this in Voltaire Club specially. I know we've had events at Novotel before. We had some events, I think, at Sunray Village. I think we also did something at 4 Points. But this we specifically wanted to do in Voltaire Club because Evaluators was born from Voltaire Club. We named Evaluators over few drinks at Voltaire Club, exactly where we are sitting here today. So this is definitely something very, very personal and close to my heart. So happy to be here and sharing this with all you guys. I know we still have a very, very long way to go. Unmaze is all about unwinding, relaxing and celebrating. So I don't want to stay between you and the drinks that have been open. But few very important things I want to say. Experience the awesome, which is our new tagline. There has been a lot of thinking that went behind Experience the Awesome. We are a technology products, platforms and a services company, but we didn't want the experience to stop there. We wanted to add something special. We wanted to bring something new to the table when it is client, when it is employee, when it is anyone in our network. So to add further value to Experience the Awesome, every single employee who is now working in our India offices, I have 3 major announcements to make. We will have a dedicated in-house chef to provide you fresh gourmet meals, which will be breakfast and lunch. And the second thing is we will have an in-house fitness and wellness expert. And probably third, the most exciting and my favorite thing is we will have an in-house RJ radio jockey who will play music for you guys every day during lunchtime. What do you feel about that? So there are, all of you are a great support. You're all part of a big family. There are few names I definitely need to call out, without which it is very, very hard to pull off something like this. I know we are still starting, we have a long way to go, but then every single thing adds up. Firstly, I would like to call Kiran. Kiran and I have been friends for almost 22 years now, like you guys know. He is the official head of operations, but for me, he is like the backbone and lifeline of Evaluators. Kiran, you have something to tell?
How's the Josh, guys?
Hi!
That's it. Hey, thank you all for coming and making this event successful. You know, I'm really blessed to work like a team we have right now. Srini, you know, it's an absolute pleasure. Thank you guys, have a good time.
Next, I would like to call Sridhar Kambala. Sridhar. So as you guys know, Sridhar heads all the technology initiatives at Evaluators. So we have Sridhar and Junior Sridhar also here. Big round of applause to them. As you all know, Sridhar gets involved in the daily technology initiatives, but at the same time, he is always open to new ideas. I ask him, can this be done? He always says yes, which is a good thing. Sridhar, you would like to say a word for the team?
My team. Nice. So I can see all you people. It's really good, and I should really thanks Srini for giving opportunity to work with him. And every time we work with him very closely, and I should really appreciate his timings. Even though I used to disturb him with very odd timings, and he used to respond me. And really thanks for the support you provided till now. Thank you. Enjoy the day.
So thank you, Sridhar. So the first condition is after 11 p.m. India time, no more messages from you, right? Next, I would like to call the showman of Evolutis, Raghav. So as you all know, Raghav is the Chief Marketing Officer. He takes care of the marketing, branding and everything else under its umbrella. Raghav?
Thank you so much, Srini. And so I can go on. Marketing is all about talking and pitching, right? So unless Srini chases me off the stage, I can continue to talk. So I want to share a few very, very important things. Number one, I have worked in Google. So Google is known to be the company that pampers employees. But other than that, I have not heard of any company on the planet which will go and commit, I'll get you breakfast, lunch, fitness. So a big round of applause to Srini for taking such bold moves. And so it makes my job easy because then it's easy to be known as the best places to work for. So we all know, I very fondly call Srini as Guruji, and most of us call him Guruji. The reason because